Well, I'm very pleased to be here, and I'm very pleased by the fact that we're celebrating the Kashmiri community here in Rochdale. It's a very large section of the wider community, and it's important that they have strong representation.
So what are you going to do at national level?
Well, that's a good question. One of the key points, not only making representations in terms of foreign affairs, which is important in terms of independence and self-determination for Kashmir, but what's important at a UK level is that we recognise the Kashmiri community, and one of the important ways of doing that is through the census, so that Kashmiris, who often get lumped in with the Pakistani community here in the UK, can be separated out in the census, so that we know exactly how many Kashmiris there are in the UK, how many there are in particular communities across the UK, and that's what we need to campaign for, and that's what I'll be doing, is campaigning with people like yourself, David, to get it included on future census.
Thank you.